Struggling to find the perfect eyebrow kit that delivers precision, pigmentation, and staying power? You're not alone. With so many options on the market, it's hard to know what truly works. Whether you're aiming for natural definition or full glam arches, this video breaks down the top 5 best eyebrow kits that are worth your money. We're diving deep into each product's features, benefits, and how they perform in real life. Let's help you find the kit that transforms your brows into perfection. Kicking off our list at number 1, Benefit Brow Zings. The Benefit Brow Zings is a cult favorite in the world of eyebrow grooming, combining a pigmented wax and setting powder in a sleek, portable compact. Designed for on-the-go brow taming and shaping, this dual formula has stood the test of time and remains a top choice for beauty professionals and beginners alike. It comes in multiple shade options and includes a mini dual-ended brush and tiny tweezers, making it a true all-in-one brow kit. Key features. What sets Brow Zings apart is the clever 2-step system that starts with a wax to shape and define, followed by a powder to set and fill. The pigmented wax offers just the right amount of hold without being sticky, while the powder delivers buildable color for natural or bold looks. The kit also includes a mirror, making it perfect for quick touch-ups anywhere, anytime. Benefits and usage. The benefit of having both wax and powder is the ability to create multi-dimensional brows that look fuller but not overdrawn. Apply the wax with the angled side of the brush to outline and shape your brows, then switch to the powder side to fill in sparse areas. This technique gives your brows texture and longevity, making them appear naturally fuller and more polished. Usability. Brow Zings is incredibly user-friendly. The compact format and well-designed applicator tools make it easy to apply with precision. Whether you're a beginner learning to shape or a seasoned pro enhancing your arches, this kit simplifies the brow game. The product blends effortlessly, so even shaky hands can achieve clean lines and symmetry. Durability. In terms of staying power, Benefit Brow Zings holds up throughout the day without smudging or fading. The wax provides a lasting base while the powder ensures the color remains consistent. It's especially effective for long days, humid weather, or nights out. Your brows stay locked in, no touch-up required. In the second spot, we have NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder. The NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder is an affordable and effective eyebrow kit that offers great value without compromising on quality. Ideal for those who want natural-looking brows with easy application, this kit includes 2 complementary powder shades, a wax, a dual-ended brush, and spoolie. Whether you're looking for bold definition or subtle filling, this drugstore gem delivers reliable results. Key features. This compact includes 2 brow powders and 1 clear wax, giving you the freedom to mix shades for a more customized match to your brow color. The wax is lightweight but offers a decent hold, and the powder shades are finely milled, providing smooth application without clumping or fallout. The included brush and spoolie are surprisingly functional, even at this price point. Benefits and usage. The dual powder system is perfect for those who want gradient or ombre brows. Start with the lighter powder at the beginning of your brow and blend into the darker shade toward the tail for a natural fade. Seal the look with the wax to maintain shape and keep stray hairs in place. The formula is forgiving, making it ideal for beginners still learning the art of brow shading. Usability. Despite its compact size, the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder is very versatile. The shades are blendable, and the texture allows for both soft, natural brows and more structured, dramatic ones. It's easy to build up without looking cakey, and the kit's simplicity means it doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary extras. Durability. While not completely waterproof, this product has impressive longevity for its price. The powder adheres well to the skin and brow hairs, lasting through a full workday or casual outing. You might need a touch-up in extremely humid conditions, but overall, it offers solid wear time without smearing. Coming in at number 3 is the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. The Fenty Beauty Brow MVP Ultra Fine Brow Pencil and Styler is a modern, sleek take on brow grooming with Rihanna's signature attention to inclusivity and detail. This isn't your traditional kit in a box, but it's included here because of its all-in-one pencil and paddle brush system that simplifies brow definition without the need for extra tools or steps. Key features. The Brow MVP features a retractable ultrafine pencil tip for precision and a unique paddle brush on the other end that blends product and grooms brows simultaneously. It's available in an impressive range of shades, catering to both cool and warm undertones, which is a game changer for many users who struggle to find a good match. Benefits and usage. With its creamy, smudge-resistant formula, the Brow MVP pencil glides effortlessly across the brow, allowing you to mimic hair-like strokes with minimal pressure. You can build up sparse areas without the product looking heavy. The paddle brush is designed to blur and soften lines, giving you a clean but natural finish. It's great for both outlining and filling. Usability. This product is as user-friendly as it gets. The pencil doesn't require sharpening, and the thin tip provides excellent control. The compact size and dual functionality make it perfect for travel or quick applications. It's especially handy for minimalists who prefer multitasking products over bulky kits. Durability. Once applied, the Brow MVP stays put. The formula sets quickly and resists fading, even in heat or humidity. While it's not fully waterproof, it performs well in everyday conditions and won't budge from light sweat or minor contact. A great pick for long-lasting, defined brows that don't smudge. Taking our fourth spot is IT Cosmetics Brow Power. The IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil is a cult classic that aims to solve one big issue: shade matching. With a formula that adjusts based on pressure, this pencil offers a universally flattering tone designed to work for almost every hair color. It also supports brow health with ingredients like biotin and saw palmetto. Key features. This double-ended pencil features a twist-up brow pencil on one side and a spoolie on the other. The universal taupe shade deepens with added pressure, making it versatile for light blondes to dark brunettes. It's infused with skin-loving ingredients and is completely free of parabens and sulfates, making it ideal for sensitive skin types. Benefits and usage. The buildable formula allows you to control your brow shade with a light or heavy hand. Apply with gentle strokes for lighter hair tones or press more firmly for deeper pigmentation. It's great for people transitioning between hair colors or those who like to play with their brow intensity. The spoolie ensures a well-blended, polished look every time. Usability. The Brow Power Pencil is straightforward and reliable. Its ergonomic shape provides a comfortable grip, and the pencil glides without tugging. The lack of wax or powder simplifies the routine. Just outline, fill, and blend. It's ideal for busy users who want a quick, fuss-free brow solution. Durability. This pencil is built to last. While it's not waterproof, it is water-resistant and designed to stay put through most of your daily activities. Users report minimal fading and no smudging throughout an average 8 to 10 hour wear. It holds up remarkably well for something so easy to use. And finally, at number 5, we have Maybelline TattooStudio. The Maybelline TattooStudio Brow Pomade is a high-performance drugstore brow product that rivals luxury brands in terms of color payoff and longevity. It's a cream gel pomade that comes with a dual-ended applicator, angled brush and spoolie, designed for precision application and blending. Ideal for bold brows, this is a standout for those who love definition. Key features. TattooStudio Brow Pomade delivers intense pigmentation and a waterproof formula that promises up to 24-hour wear. The product comes in a small pot, and the creamy consistency allows for easy gliding onto both skin and brow hairs. The dual-ended brush lets you create precise strokes while grooming brows into place. Benefits and usage. Perfect for bold or sparse brows, the pomade allows you to sculpt and define with a creamy, blendable texture. Apply with the angled brush to shape and fill, then use the spoolie to soften and blend for a more natural look. It's great for users who want their brows to make a statement and last all day without touch-ups. Usability. Although pomades can be intimidating to beginners, TattooStudio is surprisingly easy to manage. The formula isn't overly thick or dry, making it easy to build up coverage slowly. A little goes a long way, and the brush makes precision effortless. Great for users who want pro-level results without the salon trip. Durability. TattooStudio lives up to its name. Once set, this pomade doesn't budge. Rain, sweat, humidity, you name it. It's genuinely waterproof and transfer-resistant, making it perfect for long workdays, workouts, or even poolside lounging. You'll need a good makeup remover to take it off, which just proves its incredible staying power. Finding the best eyebrow kit comes down to what you value: precision, longevity, ease of use, or all of the above. From affordable gems like NYX and Maybelline to high-performance tools like Benefit and Fenty, there's something here for every brow type and skill level. Your perfect brows aren't just a dream, they're a product away. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more expert breakdowns on the best beauty tools out there. Drop your favorite brow product in the comments. We'd love to hear what you use.